Making this online business mistake will cost you money. Hi, my name is Paul Farmer, and what I do is I share with you how I've been able to be job optional since 2013 by leveraging systems, online systems that are already created for you, to make commissions, to make low ticket commissions, high ticket commissions, residual income, all the above. Been doing it since actually 2012, job optional since 2013. And what I want to do today is share with you a big mistake that I see many people doing that is absolutely costing them money. Okay. And then what I'm going to do, stay till the end, I'm going to reveal what you can do so you will start making money when you do this. Okay. So, and it's simple. Simple being the key phrase here. So, what is it that people do that's costing them money? It's simple. It's very simple. They overcomplicate everything. Literally, I have been on numerous trainings where people are asking the wrong questions. They're asking, how do I set up a funnel? How do I set up my domain name? How do I set up my, let's see, how do I set up my emails? How do I write emails? Okay. You name it, whatever, whatever thing that can be complicated, that's what they typically do. They complicate it. Now, here's the beauty of online programs these days. Most of them are very simple. Most of them have some type of tool that's pre-done. The company's already put it together for you that you can go and just share it with people. I cannot tell you how many times, like I literally want to shout this. like like you're focusing on the wrong thing. You Okay, this is probably going to go against what's being taught and what's been being taught. And I want to make sure you understand that I'm not saying it's not a good thing. So, what I'm referring to is building funnels, branding yourself. I'm referring to writing emails, becoming a good copywriter. These things are very important and they definitely can help you when it comes to creating more income, but they take a long time to learn. Okay, they take a while to learn. There's a lot of different little pieces, little parts to it. I mean, I've been writing emails for 13 years now, and I'm far from being an expert at doing it. Have I improved since I started? Absolutely. When I first started, I had no clue what to write. Now, I don't really have to think much about it. I could write an email and nothing flat. But 13 years, you know what I'm saying? Um, So here's something along the way I've been kind of learning from people that are having good success. Okay. And at first I was like, it can't be that simple. That was my first reaction. It can't be that simple. And here's what I'm going to tell you. Okay. All you have to do is share your link. All you have to do is share your link. Write that down. Get that in your head. Understand. Even if you don't have a funnel, even if you don't have a capture page, all you have to do is share your link, your sales page, your tool, your webinar. Okay. So most companies, they have some kind of sales page. They have some kind, they usually have a weekly webinar that does an overview of the company. If you have these things in place, this is all you have to do. You just have to get it in front of people. Now, I was listening to a guy this morning, and I've heard this in the past too. He's like, I used to complicate it. I used to do all this stuff. Now he's like a top earner in his company, but he's like, I looked for a way where all I had to do was share my link, where everything else was taken care of. So all I focused on was sharing my link. So what do I do? I just make videos. I make videos. I reach out to people, see if they're open to what I'm doing. I put up curiosity posts. Okay, so that's what I do, actually. You're looking at one right here. Curiosity post. This is a curiosity post. If you don't know what a curiosity post is, a curiosity post creates curiosity. So people want to know what it is you have, and then they will go and engage with that content. Sometimes these hit completely dead. Like they don't work whatsoever. They do not, people do not respond. People ignore them. This one did okay. I had numerous people either engage or reach out to me, which I was able to have a conversation with, which I was able to share my tool, share my sales page with them, which I can then go back and follow up with them and share the weekly overview we have, the webinar we have, where they explain everything in more detail. I can even go and share updates with them. And this leads to sales. So simple. That's just one thing. What else can you do? You can do videos, okay? You don't want to put your face on a video? Don't. Turn the camera, like turn the thing off. So they don't see your face, do a screen share. Or you can do faceless videos. All that's like all the rage right now. Or you can do what I'm doing, like put a little bubble, just a little thing here. You see me. It's not the big headshot, and you just talk about stuff in the background. It's simple, okay? So what I've seen a couple different leaders say is they make videos every day. They make videos. They do review videos of their business. They share when they start getting results, they share those results. Very simple thing to do. Now they also say it takes a while with video, and it's true. It takes a while. I'll probably over the years, like I don't even know how many videos I've done, uh, because I've done Facebook Live videos, I've done short videos, I've done webinars, I've done um, Google Hangouts back when that was a thing, live videos on YouTube, recorded videos. So I've done a lot of videos over the years. And if you really understood what I deal with on a daily basis, you'd be like, there's no way in hell you'd be doing videos. But I do videos because it works. I've made so many sales over the years with video. So let me just back this up and finish this off, okay? Let's keep this simple. It's simple, okay? What do you have to do? Get your link in front of people. That's your job. That's your job. That's how you get paid. Get your link in front of people. Get your sales page in front of people. Get your webinar in front of people. That's it. That's all you got to do. Now, here's the thing. Not all systems, not all programs are created equal. What I have here, just so you understand this, it's even better because it's completely automated. You have the option of it being completely automated. So this particular one right here is a high ticket offer. I've been with this company for 10 years. It's paid me in the six figures. No joke. Okay. And I did not have anywhere close to what we have now. Now we have a phone team that closes your sales for you. We have AI. We have a co-op, an advertising co-op that's a national co-op, that's a USA co-op, USA only, meaning they're targeting only USA members. And this is for people that just they don't want to bother with marketing. They don't want to do anything. It's all done for them. But what really excited me about this program, like, I've already had my success with this program, and it's been on the back burner forever until they brought out this new offer where you make $1,500 commissions over and over again. Like, I think that's really awesome. Uh, is the closers. So again, you share a link to a pre-done sales page. It's done for you. You don't have to create it. You don't have to do the copywriting. Okay. You share that. People review it and they decide if they want to do it or not. And on the page itself, you have an AI agent that you could ask questions from. And there's also a place where you could enter your information and someone will call you and answer all your questions. So I get out of the picture and I allow the tool to do the work for me. I already told you how to do it. Video, curiosity posts, and reaching out to people. Hey, name, how's it going? Hey, I just started something. I'm really excited about it. Pays $1,500 commissions, unlimited. They got a phone team. They got AI. It's really incredible. Would you be open to learning about it? You don't have to say that much. Okay. This is just me off the top of my head shooting that to you. Okay. So you could make 1,500, like, just get this through your head because I know this is hard to believe, but the sales page is done for you. The tools are done for you. There's a phone team closing your sales for you. There's AI closing your sales for you. It's ridiculous, right? Like, I never had this before. It's never been so easy for you to make income online, income that matters. It's never been this easy. Before, how I made high six figures in this company, how did I do it? I had to have a funnel that I built, I put together. Actually, I used the pre-done funnel, but we did not have AI. We did not have phone closers. I had to close them. I had to follow up. I had to do all of that myself. No longer do you have to do that. And we did have this high ticket offer. Okay, so there's that one. You don't like high ticket? It's too much for you? Check out this system, okay? This system here, again, completely done for you. Leads, follow-ups, close like human closers, AI closers, like everything you need is here. It's very affordable. It grows multiple streams of income, and you could even make high ticket income with it. Are you hearing me? You share your system. You get the hell out of the way and you let your system do the work for you. So what do? You make videos doing reviews, talking about what it is you're doing. You create curiosity posts. So if we come back over to my Facebook here, oops, gotta turn off the drawing. Here's a curiosity post. This is even a curiosity post, even though I'm edifying someone, right? So um, here's a curiosity post that bombed. It didn't do well. And I believe the reason is people don't believe they can make that much with 50 bucks. But the fact is, it's the truth. But, you kind of have to meet people where they're at. And most people, like their minds don't allow them to comprehend that they could do that much. It just doesn't make sense to them. So that's what I got in this, okay? Just keep it simple. Don't get overwhelmed. I'm not saying not to go and set up funnels. I'm not saying not to learn those things because those things can definitely benefit you. But here's the thing, think about this. It's not like how you do it, it's just that you do it, right? So imagine a year out, you focused, you decided, you know what? I'm going to go to work. I'm going to take advantage of one of these systems here and I'm going to listen to what Paul has to say, and I'm not going to overcomplicate things, and I'm just going to keep it simple. I'm going to make a video a day reviewing what's going on. I'm going to share proof progress results. Okay. I'm going to build up a following. I'm going to make curiosity posts. So I have people coming to me wanting to know what it is I'm doing. I'm going to do reach outs where I'm going to go and talk to people and see if they're open to what I'm doing and share my system that does everything for them with them. And guess what's going to happen? You're going to start making sales. You're going to see things happen, I promise you. And you're going to see it way faster than, oh, I don't know how to set up my domain name. Oh, I don't know how to connect my email. Oh, I don't know how to put the funnel together. You're wasting your time. Those are not income producing activities. Again, you can do that, but what would be better, just pay someone to get it done for you. Don't waste your time and focus your time and your energy on things that produce. And things that produce are making content like video, putting up curiosity posts so you attract people to you so you can have conversations with them. You put your information, what you're doing in front of them and get out of the way. Follow up with updates, with webinars, with your own personal updates, things like that. And this is how you make sales. It's not a complicated process. It's a very simple process, especially when you use the tools, you get out of your way and you just do the work, okay? Click on the link right below this video and you can learn about these two offers right here. I also have something I do right here where it has nothing to do with online marketing. It's just writing letters. You can see I got my index cards right here. I do this on a daily basis. This is something I do where I don't really have to talk about this. It just pays me week after week after week for writing letters. Whether I make a sale or I don't make a sale, I get paid. So I like that. I did another video where I put all this stuff together and I explained to you how I do it step by step, why, the psychology behind it. I believe it makes sense. I don't know if it does to you. If it does, great. It's working for me. It's like a feeding system, a funding system to grow other streams of income. Anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Be sure to like and subscribe. If you are getting value from what I'm sharing, I will continue coming on here doing what I can to share value, share with you what I do to make income online so I don't have to go work a job. um, so you don't have to go work a job if you don't want to. You have the options right here. Powerful, powerful programs. Nothing like it has been done. Like, I mean, as long as I've been online, it's never been this simple. I'm just telling you. But you just got to decide. You got to decide, get started in something, plug in and run, do the things I tell you to do and you will see results. Okay. With that, make it a great day. I'll see you next time.